Welcome to the Keto Diet Guide channel. On this channel we discuss helpful tips and tricks when it comes to doing the keto diet. Today we'll be discussing if doing the keto diet will cause you to have seizures. The short answer to this question is no. The keto diet cannot cause seizures. It is used to control them. Before keto became famous for aiding weight loss, it was used to manage seizures, especially in children with epilepsy. The diet was recommended to epileptic children who didn't respond to medication. What conditions can keto help? Keto diet has proven to be particularly helpful in controlling specific epilepsy conditions such as infantile spasms, Dravet syndrome, tuberous sclerosis complex, GLUT1 deficiency, Douce syndrome. How does keto control seizures? The ketogenic diet focuses on reducing the intake of carbohydrates while increasing fat intake. It is nowadays used for weight loss since the anti-epilepsy medication is readily available. While on keto, the body burns fat, rather than sugars. When the body burns fat as the source of fuel, the body is said to be in ketosis, and the compounds produced are called ketones. Ketones are then used as a source of energy by the body cells. To date, scientists are still trying to figure out exactly how the keto diet helps with epilepsy. There have been several theories researchers have brought forward to understand precisely how keto minimizes the occurrence of seizures. Despite numerous attempts to understand the relationship between keto and reduced seizures, the exact mechanism is still unclear. Who can benefit from the keto diet's ability to control seizures? Keto diet works best for children who experience focal seizures. However, the ketogenic diet doesn't work overnight and may take some time to give a seizure-free experience ultimately. The diet is suitable for the children, provided there are no mitochondrial or metabolic reasons not to switch to the diet. The keto diet can also be used to help minimize reliance on anti-seizure drugs. However, doctors recommend a partnership between keto diet and medicines to control seizures. The keto diet doesn't cause seizures. Instead, it is a helpful remedy for children with epilepsy. Though science is yet to discover the mechanism through which keto controls seizures, it is a reliable method that has been used for decades. For more helpful tips for people trying to master the keto diet, check out the links in the description, or if you're interested in getting a custom keto diet test to see if the keto diet is right for you. Also, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.